The most amazing top 10 health benefits of ginger and ginger tea. What is ginger good for? Ginger is known as one of the healthiest and most delicious spice. You may call it a superfood. Ginger health benefits are numerous. There is no reason not to start drinking ginger tea and enjoy its health benefits. Ginger belongs to the Zingirberaceae family and is closely related to turmeric and cardamom. Ginger has a very long history of use in various forms of traditional and alternative medicine. It has been used to help digestion, reduce nausea, and help fight the flu and common cold, to name a few. Ginger can be used fresh, dried, powdered, or as an oil or juice. Ginger is loaded with very powerful bioactive compounds that has great medicinal value. The unique fragrance and flavor of ginger comes from its natural oils, the most important of which is gingerol. Here are top 10 health benefits and properties of ginger that are supported by science. Number 1. Ginger is anti-inflammatory and powerful antioxidant. Inflammation has become a common problem these days. Ginger contains gingerol that has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It is one of the best anti-inflammatory spices to protect against inflammatory disease. Number 2. Ginger treats nausea and morning sickness. Ginger is highly effective against nausea and vomiting, and its effectiveness is comparable to prescription medication. It has a long history of use as a seasickness remedy. Ginger relieves nausea and vomiting after surgery and in cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy. It is the most effective for pregnancy-related nausea and morning sickness. Research shows that 1 or 1.5 gram of ginger can significantly reduce symptoms of nausea in pregnant women. Although ginger is considered safe, talk to your doctor before taking large amounts of it if you are pregnant. Just 1 to 1.5 grams of ginger can help prevent various types of nausea. This applies to seasickness, chemotherapy-related nausea, nausea after surgery, and morning sickness. Number 3. Ginger reduces muscle pain and soreness. Ginger has been shown to be effective against exercise-induced muscle pain. In one study, consuming 2 grams of ginger per day for 11 days significantly reduced muscle pain in people performing elbow exercises. Ginger does not have an immediate effect, but may be effective at reducing the day-to-day progression of muscle pain. These effects are believed to be mediated by anti-inflammatory properties. Number 4. Ginger helps osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is a common health problem. It involves the degeneration of the joints in the body, leading to symptoms like joint pain and stiffness. In a controlled trial of 247 people with osteoarthritis of the knee, those who took ginger extract had less pain and required less pain medication. Another study found that a combination of ginger, mastic, cinnamon, and sesame oil can reduce pain and stiffness in osteoarthritis patients when applied topically. Number 5. Ginger lowers blood sugars in type 2 diabetics. A recent study showed that consuming 2 grams of ginger powder daily lowered fasting blood sugar by 12% in people with type 2 diabetes. It also dramatically improved HbA1c, a marker for long-term blood sugar levels, leading to a 10% reduction over a period of 12 weeks. It also significantly reduced the major risk factors for heart disease. Number 6. Ginger treats chronic indigestion. Chronic indigestion or dyspepsia is characterized by recurrent pain and discomfort in the upper part of the stomach. It is believed that delayed emptying of the stomach is a major driver of indigestion. Interestingly, ginger has been shown to speed up emptying of the stomach in people with this condition. After eating soup, ginger reduced the time it took for the stomach to empty from 16 to 12 minutes. In a study of 24 healthy individuals, 1.2 grams of ginger powder before a meal accelerated emptying of the stomach by 50%. Number 7. Ginger powder significantly reduces menstrual pain. One of the traditional uses of ginger is for pain relief, including menstrual pain. In one study, 150 women were instructed to take 1 gram of ginger powder daily for the first 3 days of the menstrual period. Ginger managed to reduce pain as effectively as the prescription drugs like Brufen. Number 8. Ginger lowers cholesterol levels. High levels of LDL or bad cholesterol are linked to an increased risk of heart disease. In a 45-day study of 85 individuals with high cholesterol, 3 grams of ginger powder caused significant reductions in most cholesterol markers. This is supported by a study in rats where ginger extract lowered LDL cholesterol to a similar extent as the cholesterol-lowering statin drugs. Both studies also showed reduction in total cholesterol and triglycerides. Number 9. Ginger improves brain function and protects against Alzheimer's disease. Oxidative stress and chronic inflammation can accelerate the aging process. They are believed to be among the key drivers of Alzheimer's disease and age-related cognitive decline. Some studies in animals suggest that the antioxidants and bioactive compounds in ginger can inhibit inflammatory responses that occur in the brain. There is also some evidence that ginger can enhance brain function directly. In a study of 60 middle-aged women, ginger extract was shown to improve reaction time and working memory. There are also numerous studies in animals showing that ginger can protect against age-related decline in brain function. Number 10. Ginger helps fight infections. Gingerol, the bioactive substance in fresh ginger, can help lower the risk of infections. In fact, ginger extract can inhibit the growth of many different types of bacteria. It is very effective against the oral bacteria linked to inflammatory disease in the gums such as gingivitis and others. Fresh ginger may also be effective against the RSV virus, a common cause of respiratory infections. This is it guys for today's video. Give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Also subscribe to my channel. Thanks in advance.